Hi, my name is Ryan Pepper, and I'm currently a student at Thiel College taking a course entitled Integrated Instructional Systems. I will be teaching a standards-based lesson in general chemistry, and it will be based on the Pennsylvania academic standards, and I will be integrating technology into this lesson. I hope you enjoy watching this video sample of my teaching. Today we're going to be starting a unit on solubility. And before we get started, I just want to ask you, what does it mean when something conducts electricity? Any ideas? Something conducts electricity, what happens?
Electricity can go through it.
Right. So that's going to be kind of the basis of what we talk about today. And this is a simulation that will help us understand this a little bit better. Down here, there's a liter of water. And up here, you can choose between salt and sugar. And there it shows how much of each is in the water at any given time. So, with regular water, do you think it's going to conduct electricity? Do you think electricity is going to be able to pass through it?
Yes.
Yes. Any other ideas? Any guesses?
No.
Either yes or no?
No.
No. Okay. Well, let's find out. We have a light bulb here. And let's stick it in the water. No light. So plain old water does not conduct electricity. Now let's move this up a little. What happens when I add some salt? Is it going to dissolve in there?
Sure.
Sure. Okay. So salt goes into the water. How much salt should I add? All of it?
All of it.
All of it, okay. Well, that didn't take long. Okay, so now will it conduct electricity, now that there's salt in there? You have a yes? Anybody else? A no?
Sure.
A sure, okay. 3 different answers there. Let's stick it in. Look, there's light. Now, what happens if I add more water to this? What do you think will happen? If I add more water, will the light change? Get dimmer, get brighter? Get dimmer.
Dinner.
Dimmer? Let's see. Add some water and light got a little bit dimmer. What happens if I take some water away?
Brighter.
Brighter? Good. Come on. There it goes. No change. And look, there's more salt to add. Should I add the rest of the salt again? Okay, so what do you think will happen if I evaporate the water? Will the light change?
Sure.
It'll get brighter.
Sure.
I'm not
Will it
really
get brighter?
sure.
Maybe. Maybe. Any other guesses?
I don't know.
You don't know. Any idea on how it might change?
No.
Okay, so stick it in. And evaporate it. Look, the light's getting brighter and brighter. I'd say that's pretty bright. And if you look over here, there's quite a bit of salt in there. And now we're going to take a few notes here. And you've seen these before. These are the structured notes. You have key terms on the left column, notes on the right. At the bottom you have a section for questions and for an illustration. So the first term that you're going to want to know is solution. Have you heard this term before?
Like a math solution?
Not quite. It's a little bit different when it comes to chemistry. So in chemistry, A solution is a mixture of a liquid and a solid where the solid is completely dissolved. So there's no more solid actually left in the water. On the back of your structured notes, you should flip it over, and I want you to complete an exit slip for me. So I want you to write down 2 things that you learned that you didn't know beforehand. You learned to share one of them. Who wants to go first?
Sugar is an electrolyte.
Okay.
Salt is electrolyte. Salt conducts energy in water.
Very good. And that's all for today.